after winning the grants with the Department of Innovation and the Department of Employment, Small Business and Training, which happened about a month or so ago, we've really started ramping things up. So we've got a heap more mentors from industry here this week, which is fantastic, and that's really going to help accelerate our progress on the program. The mentors are coming from Javelin Aerospace, obviously Dom from the Sunshine Coast Makerspace, but we've got a whole bunch of other mentors coming through, like Shane from Project Jam and Sophia from Cormatic and Dave Bigger and the team from One Composite. Um, we ran a composites and advanced aerospace composites workshop with Joe Bryant from Aeromech at Maroochydore SHS, also with students from Chancellor and Mountain Creek last week. Went really, really well. We're going to bring that into the student team here shortly in the next couple of weeks too. We'll do another series of workshops there, and that's really about actually getting hands on with composites. Joe brings his big composites oven, vacuum pump, tooling, materials, and the students can go to town actually making their own composite parts, which is phenomenal. Um, in the student team itself at the moment, you can see we're really starting to get more structured around the different scales of the vehicle, getting the CAD models up and running, starting to finalize the motors and the electronics and all those kinds of things, and getting deeper into the CAD to actually develop out the sub-assemblies and the components within those sub-assemblies. So, in particular, the upper wing of the 6:1 models looking really, really good. Huon's done some phenomenal work there. And Jet's done some amazing work on our smaller 12:1 scale vehicle as well. So we should have something that's at least hoverable there in the next month or so, which is going to be really exciting. Um, on other stuff, we've got some fantastic static motor thrust test stand activity where we've been able to test a small number of motor and propeller combinations and measure how much thrust they create. We've also got a drone test rig with a load cell that can measure how much capacity a drone has as a system. Um, some of the younger students have been able to get really hands-on doing a repair on the marketing model, which has been great. It's all great experience and exposure, and just to see them coming through every week and getting hands-on and learning something new and having the opportunity to do a range of different things, and then opting into whichever ones they feel like the most on the evening is it's great to see. It's a big deal in terms of trying to help the next generation into more STEM type roles. Yeah, and generally speaking, it's been good fun. So long may it continue. Yeah, we'll see you guys soon.